Hi everyone, Gem and Scrolls here. I have a new unboxing today. Not a pros and cons, just an unboxing. I took the liberty of taking it out of its orange packaging, just so that we're not having to struggle with that. So today's unboxing is for Diamond Painting Club by Whim. And so I actually haven't looked into this at all. And for anyone who doesn't know, this is a club that sends you a monthly box. There are multiple different types of kits, and my aim is to be able to unbox a different kit eventually. But we'll start with this one. It's the most basic one. So they give you a personalized letter. We're pleased to present your May box. And what's in your member box? There's 4 fridge magnets designed to enjoy and share with friends and family. Decorate your fridge with DPs. Got an itch from scratch? Shake off the lockdown blues and scratch and etch the etching area to reveal the brilliant colored designs below. Delight a loved one with your light ornament, certain to bring brightness where there is darkness, making a perfect gift for others in this trying time or yourself. So I'll be doing a pros and cons list later about the company. But let's get started. I don't actually know what to look at first, so let's start with this. There's a cute little lamp. That's pretty adorable. I'm sure my daughter's probably gonna want that. Anyway, that's one thing. And lots of trays, lots of wax, tweezers, nice tweezers. They have points, they're really sharp, so I guess I spoke too soon. I'm one who likes the more flat tweezers that aren't going to scratch my things. Here's a different pair of tweezers. Ta-da. So, 2 different types of tweezers. Okay, so a multi-placer. Ooh, I love when it's just 3 or 4. And this one's really like thin, so if I can maybe switch this up a little bit to, that's not going to make it any better. I thought maybe it wouldn't make it as blurry. Okay, so it is a multi-placer. Looks like it'll place 4. And then there's a bigger one. Looks like it's about 9. 8 or 9. 4 wax pads and a tray, and then in this one there's 1 giant wax pad and a tray and another pen. Each pen has a grip. This pen doesn't have and the multi-placer on it. Okay, let's see if we can. Ooh, I just knocked over my black drills, but that's okay because I have a ton of those. So scratch pads, and they're postcards. That'll be fun. I'm sure the little one will actually really like those because we've been sending lots of postcards during COVID to people. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks like there's 4 of them at different areas. The Eiffel Tower is in one, and then the other one is so they're all different landmarks. It's not actually like all based in one city. That's kind of cool. I don't see these fridge magnets they're talking about though, so that's interesting. Because, oh, I see them. Never mind. I was clearly highly mistaken. Okay. green tray for this one with a pad, some extra baggies, and a pink pen. Just off the bat, I see there's only 4 baggies, so let's see how many colors there are. Oh, I think I'm already gonna like how these are packaged. These have their own, some of them already have their own little baggies. They're very shiny. They're the clear, they're not black. So the black is the back of the bead. The silver is what those ones are. And pearl looking ones, and we'll flip those ones around. Very lovely. Exciting, because we broke a couple of our fridge magnets recently, so that would be beneficial. Oh, some pink pearly ones. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 additional colors in here. Which means they didn't send enough baggies to put 1 in each of its own bag. But that's okay, because I have plenty myself. Let's take a look at the magnets. Where are they? Here they are. So, cupcake, 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 cupcake. Lots of cupcake magnets, which is fine. That's rather cute. It kind of works out. Because we're big baking fanatics in this house. So, okay, I'll put all that back together. And going to take a look at the canvases. So for my canvases, I picked dragons and fairies and as one theme, and wolves as another theme. So, and you don't get to choose what each is. They just kind of pick a random one. So let's see here. Yeah, this is definitely not one of my themes. That it's really hard to see, but it's actually horses, which, I mean, not necessarily something I hate, but they definitely didn't stick to my theme. I did pick animals for the next month, like, so maybe they got mixed up. I don't know. I'm trying to cut this open so I can. Okay. So, alright, when you unravel it, they have instructions here and a better picture, so that's kind of nice. So 2 horses with a bunch of flowers. Not necessarily something I would have picked out myself, but not absolutely terrible. Comes with a foam thing, which we'll throw in the foam craft bin. I'm just trying to think about how to go about this so I can. Oh, I've already ripped it. I want to get a peek at the canvas. I can always replace it with parchment. I mean, it looks rather clear. I'm sure you guys can see that from this angle better. Looks clear. It's a nice details, big enough for this. Okay, number 2. Just taking it out, it's wrapping. This one is a wolf, which is great because trying to give my cousin a wolf one for her Christmas present. I haven't really figured out which one I want to do yet for her. So this gives me another option. Oops, I keep like hitting the cord. Unfortunately, my phone is majorly dying. Okay. Pull out this thing so we can see here. Ta-da! That one's not too bad. I think she would like this one actually. So that's the second one that I got. Both of them, because of the kit I got, the smaller kit, are 30 by 40s. And then as you increase the size, the box size that you get, you would get an additional one of these diamond arts, but it would be an extra large size. So we'll see how it turns out when the next one comes in. But yeah, so that's my easy Whim box. I will post this, and then I'll post some pros and cons of the company itself and their canvas style and packaging and yada yada, and we'll go from there. Stay tuned. I received another package today, so I'll also be doing an unveiling for Diamond Art, and we'll have pros and cons for both of those posted later. Like and subscribe if you want to get an update for all the companies that I am taking a look at.